Good day, good people. My name is Tapiwa. I am the voice behind the lessons we all enjoy. Ndiri kuda kukutendai kune vese vari kutitsigira pachannel yedu Tapiwa Kurotwi the second Nyemba. I have received a notification from vidIQ kuti in the month September we managed to get almost 3,000 views. And this translates to over 200 hours of watch time. I would safely conclude the reason for this is because takutonyora and we want to up our game. So thank you for trusting us with your future, especially in mathematics, because that was our focus. We almost finished the syllabus. We are left with a few topics and we are already doing psychogeometry, which we are likely going to finish before Monday. Speaking of today is the 4th of September 2025. Monday will be the 6th. So chikumbiro manji ndechekuti please keep supporting us. How do you do that? Through watching, of course. If you are benefiting, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe if you haven't. You can also recommend our videos to your friends and family, especially to those who are writing mathematics for the second and third time. If you notice, my video yangu akakura, and I know that this works against me. I have made two decisions which are not economic. The first decision was recording in Shona. Kwete kusora mutauro wedu, but Shona makes this channel niche, and by niche I mean it becomes small by design structurally. Nekuti I'm only able to reach a few people who can understand Shona. So this was the first decision we made. The second decision was to make our videos as comprehensive as possible. So you see we have my video edu akawanda, amwe acho they are an hour, madika acho around 30 minutes. Averagely I think we are around 45 minutes of video length. The reason is we want to cover as much as possible. We want to teach every aspect as clearly as possible. Kuitira kuti mu understand ma concepts acho. If you don't understand anything, don't hesitate to send us a message. You can do it easily by commenting, which most of you are doing and we are grateful. Or you can use the numbers which are going to appear in our bio. Kureva kuti ma details any video ramro kuona, you are going to find our contact details, WhatsApp that is. Or at the end of every long lesson, we put up our numbers. Thank you, and I wish you justice for your October-November examinations. Take care.